Yo, what's up? Welcome to today's guitar lesson. In this particular lesson, it's all about the strum. I'm gonna teach you how to strum. So we got our guitar picks. Everybody's got their guitar picks. If not, you can also use your fingers. When I'm strumming, I'm always kind of thinking about what strings I'm striking and how can I go through the string set as smooth as possible. We don't want to have our strums like we don't want this jarring thing. We're playing this string, right? Like this is the guitar, but we're also playing these strings. So how can I strike these strings with a kind of feel to it that makes it pleasant? Because it doesn't matter what we're doing with our left hand right here. Until our right hand strums the string, no sound is going to be produced. Like I guess you have like that kind of stuff, but like that's only coming because I'm striking these strings. The sound is right. My approach, if you've already seen the how to hold your pick video, I kind of just tilt my hand just a little bit like this, yeah. So now the pick is going through the strings at an angle, right here. And as it's coming up on the down, it's angled to glide through the strings like this. And then when it comes up, it goes back through the strings at an angle like this. So each string that it hits, it's kind of like a washboard, if you will. Like if you were to see these strings, the pick is angled as it's going down and going up so that it can smoothly go over the strings rather than doing the opposite where it's like if I'm going up, right? And I wanted and I didn't have it bent like this, I'd be catching all the strings. But when I would go back down, it would go back smooth. But then I'd be catching all the strings again on the way back up. So if I'm alternating, you see how my wrist is turning? This is the movement that we want right here. This smooth movement. It's almost like you're turning a door. Like you grab the knob and you turn. It's the same situation. So it's not up and down, like this. It's right here, it's in the wrist. It's not in the elbow. It's in the wrist. You see my wrist? And then you got, you know what I'm saying, like, it's the same movement. Same thing. A little bit more advanced, same movement. It's all in the wrist. You hear how smooth that sounds? If you can get this down, this is more than half the battle. That right hand is where it's at. All in the wrist, all in the wrist. Okay? Let me know how that goes for you. All right? Peace.